All right, guys, in this video I want to show you how to register for the broker and request for your $30 bonus. This is Windsor broker, and they allow you to trade without deposit, and you can withdraw your capital. So this is how it works. They give you $30 bonus, and you trade with that $30. Any profit you make from $60 and above on that $30 is what you can withdraw. Okay, so I'm making this video so I will show you how to do it. All right, so you enter their website. This is their website address. Okay, this is the website address here, en.windsorbrokers.com. Okay, so after you have done that, the next thing is you come to open an account here. Then you fill all this. Okay, I'll fill it. I will pause the video and fill it. I'm done filling it. Make sure that here you pick live account. Don't pick demo account, pick live account, then fill every other thing and tap on sign up. So it's gonna bring me here. Then I will log in. Said I should confirm and verify my email, so I'll check my inbox and click on the link they sent, so as I will be able to verify my link and my email. All right, I'm done verifying my account. The next thing is to do this. Immediately you verify your account, it's going to show this. Just tap on complete profile, then it will take you to this place. Okay, so you are going to fill all this form. I'm going to pause now and fill it. Okay, all right, I'm done filling the form. Just fill everything. I'm done filling it. Then at the end here, select prime. Okay, select prime currency USD. Okay, so I think that's the major thing. Then just tap on finish. All right, now I'm here. Okay, the next thing is for me to submit my KYC document. Okay, so for proof of address, it's asking for bill, tax certificate. But what I used for this place is my international passport. I used international passport for my own account, and I used voters card PVC for the second account I'm running. All I did was just tap on bills, then upload it. In a Despite that it's not bill, just upload it like that. Okay, but if you have driver's license, you can just use driver's license. You can use bank statements. But if you don't have it, just tap on bill. This bill can also be NEPA bill. But if you don't have it, just tap on bill and upload PVC, international passport, or whatever such document you have. Then the next one is proof of identity. Can come here. So just tap on ID. Okay, and upload. If it's PVC you want to upload it. Anything you want to upload it. If you have international passport or driver's license, then you can just tap on it. But if you don't have them, just tap on ID. If it's NIN slip you have, tap on it. Then if you ask for document number, you will see it on the PVC. If you're using PVC, you see a number beside your picture. That's what I used for mine. It worked. So the expiry date, I just put 2027. I just put 2027. I just put a random date in my own. I put February 25, 2027. That's what I put there. Then you submit. Okay, all right. So once you are done doing that, your live account is already on. Okay, but for you to get a $30 bonus, you just tap on this navigation here. Then you come to promotion, come to navigation. Sorry, it's not working because I've not uploaded those documents. Okay, all right, so here is it. Just tap on request. Okay, just tap on request. It's not going to work because I've not submitted my documents. Just tap on requests. Then I have read and accept. Tap on here and tap on accept. I'm not going to tap on it because it's not going to work. So after doing that, if it's taking too long before they verify your KYC, just come here and chat them up. Go to live chat. and lodge your complaint. They are going to respond to you. All right. Okay, once you tap on it, you can just tap on general inquiry and start live chat. All right, so that's it. Make sure you like this video, and I created a group where I'm guiding people through the process of trading it and withdrawing and all, and how you can get a new account once you are done. I'll be holding a webinar, and I want if you want to be part of it, just join the group. I'll be dropping the group link on the description. And if you're having problem join the group, you can just message me. I'll also be dropping my WhatsApp number. You can just DM me on WhatsApp. The purpose of the group will just be to guide you through, to ensure that you don't get stuck at any point, because sometimes it can be frustrating. And secondly, I will be giving you a roadmap on how to scale your profits from $30 that you are giving to $1,000. I'll be giving you a roadmap to it. Thank you for watching this video. See you on the next one.